You already know, it's Extreme Florida. So we getting ready to lay out some corn and set up for this season. Let's get to it, y'all. Tree line, apple corn as our initial starter, so we can just bring in, you know what I'm saying, some bucks and doe real quick, just to see what's in the area on the camera. And then after we get the scented corn out, we're gonna put out some regular corn through the rest of the pre-season, just to keep them on the property and keep them relatively coming back. And then we're gonna keep checking these cameras and see what we got. Right now it's already looking promising. This season is gonna be something. Stay tuned. So we're gonna put out half the bag and then run a line all the way out to the woods. Drop probably about a quarter bag there. And then we're gonna set up our blind, clear out some trails, keep them moving. You don't want to remain in an area too long and scent up the area. We already have game trail cams set up already. So on that front, we're good to go. So I think this area right here will be good for what we're gonna do this season. So we're gonna put up this carryable blind made with Omnitex 3D blind fabric. It has these little leaves on it. It's made by Allen, and it's something that you can use. You know what I'm saying? If you're a ground hunter, you can slide in your backpack. It's real lightweight. You fold it up. You know, use a little bushcraft. Make yourself some steaks and set the thing up. Get yourself a little tripod chair. You're in there. So we're gonna set this thing up and see what we can do with it this season. So plan is a little bit of bushcraft. Cut down some stakes from some palm fronds, sable palm, and we're gonna cube this out in like a 90-degree. Have a stake here, and then run it to the tree in our size that we want. Definitely gonna work. So stay tuned, stick with me. What I like about this Vanish blind is that it has this 3D effect. So it has holes in the material that you can run a improvised stake into, which we're making right now. So again, we want to have that 90-degree. We're going to run this through these holes. Make sure the material touches. All right. About right here. Grabbing some cord out the bag. We're gonna tie some ties around the tree. more slack on it. Okay, so this is our end result. We're gonna sit behind it, adjust it down, see what it looks like. Tripod. This is gonna be a success, y'all. So I like it. It's sitting actually perfectly right now with my tripod. I unfortunately did not bring my bow to actually, you know, see how it feels with my bow in it and get a full draw and see how comfortable I am sitting back there. But as far as putting it up and putting it together, simple. Goes in your backpack, bring it with you, less than, you know what I'm saying, a half a pound, you know, real easy to carry. Bring your tripod with you, bring some paracord or whatever, bushcraft it up. You got yourself a drop-in primitive blind anywhere you go, hunting the ground. This works. So we're gonna have it set up for this season, and we're really gonna test this thing out, and I'm gonna give you the review. So we came out today, set this ground blind up, laid out some corn, checked the cameras. We got game. The season looks like it's gonna be great. We got 2 quota hunts this season. One out in Arbuckle for deer season, one out in Chassahowiska for hog season. And you already know we're gonna be hunting the backyard like normal. Definitely gonna be on state parks this year. We're really gonna make it happen. Please smash that like button. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. You know, I like to really take the time out in the end and all my fans and all my supporters. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate you for being there and watching all of my videos. Thank you so much. Click that like button, share, and here's a message from our sponsor, Extreme Off-Road. So this is Chris, aka Smoke, and I am the Extreme Florida Sportsman. If you like what you see and you really do support and sponsor this channel, then I would love to tell y'all that we are supported by Extreme Off-Road. And the best way you can support this channel is by letting us help you. And we specialize in customization, modification, and maintenance to any automotive vehicle on and off the road. Yo, that's Extreme Off-Road. Now we are located in Holiday, Florida, 2623 Grand Boulevard. Come on down and check us out. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. We lift trucks up. Look at that. Look at that thing. Customized paint jobs, customized lifts, whatever you want, we got it. I'm trying to tell you, come check us out. If you are an avid outdoorsman, you're going to want a truck or vehicle to help. And that is Extreme Off-Road.